LBP account. Found under View HEI Profile main navigation, Land Bank of the Philippines account details are a system mandatory requirement which must be set in order to create billing statement. The required fields are HEI account name, which should be the same as the account name indicated in the IMI-1 or STI-1 issued by the Land Bank of the Philippines. The 10-digit HEI account number, and the bank branch. To save the details, click Update Bank Information button. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that the LBP account details are successfully saved. Changes on LBP account details are not allowed by the system once your HEI has created billing statement. It can only be updated if you delete the existing billing statement provided that its status is on process HEI and that the billing period is still underway, else any alteration shall be upon HEI's request and is subject to PEAC NS approval.